Dave Snyder here. It's the second day of June 2014, and I just want to show you some things that I used to do. I do this still. I mean, I try to put the continents back where they have been in the past. You know, try to find places and put them together. And did this one a long time ago. You see the line right here? This line that goes under these mountains, pretty much. There's like this line right here. Okay, then it comes down like this. Well, the Hawaiian island chain basically will fit there very well, as you can see. I'm not saying it's perfectly aligned in that spot, but one way to confirm that it was there is basically by looking at it, just, you know, studying the area, the surface there, and then turn the weather on. See how the weather fits to confirm it. Now look at the East Coast, and then look at this weather. I mean, I'm not saying it's maybe it needs to go over a little more, but it's the same thing. It just confirms that it was here, basically. That's what it does. And you can leave it here, and the weather will change, and it'll fit better sometimes. Sometimes, you know, it won't fit, but you can see the East Coast weather right there. Look at how it fits in that whole shape. See that right there? That area? Watch. Perfect. Right in there. I'm sure the Great Lakes will pop out as cloud at some times. Something will to give it to you. See the curve right there, right? See around Lake Superior. Anyways, I like to do that because then what that does is I know from doing these overlays for a while that right up here in the Pacific, right here in this area, I've seen Imbrium and Copernicus's print in the weather up right here a few times. I've shown that in the past videos, and I've also seen it right here, and I've shown that too. You see Imbrium up here, and the Copernicus comes down here. Okay, we see that often in the weather right here, so that puts those two areas together. See that? Since I see it over here, and then I bring this over here, right there, and it puts it right in place where I see it over here. That just ties those two areas together for that one impact. It just does. I mean, you understand what I'm saying? Because it's right here in the weather sometimes, in the North Pacific, and it's over there in the weather sometimes over here on the eastern United States, or eastern North America, whatever you want to call it. Sometimes it drifts off over into the ocean a little bit, but not usually. So that puts those two areas together, and then we just, you know, it just goes against what I've never seen in a documentary that North America used to be over these islands. They just say there was a hot spot that created these islands, right? That's all I've ever heard. But that was there. Sure of it. The weather shows that. We'll show it almost every time. It's right in there. Anyways, just wanted to show that. Let's see if I bring up any overlays over here. Nah, that's it. Just want to show you that. Try that out. Try all them things out. Try to put all the comments together.